So we got our drawer in place. Got to take it out to put in some the latch in. How do I get these off? Oh, they're so fancy, but they don't come off. What's the trick? Internet land. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's take this inside, shall we? First, we have to have some lunch. Yummy. By the way, it's April 1st. Yep. Just got like a foot of snow. So this will be how to install this. Screw together latch kit into this. Let's go. First thing I did a while back is make some templates for these things which show where it mounts, where the latch will go. See how it lines up there. So hopefully we just use our templates to put this sucker in. Halfway. Half of 22 is 11. So we're talking 11. Talking 11. Which pretty much is close enough, you know what I'm saying? We have to adjust this. We'll see why, because these are designed for 3/4. This is a half. I'll show you. Just hang on. Hang on. To mark center of our hole. That's our center. Which seems about right. Consider like that. But on this one, this is an inset. This is an inset cabinet. This is where we want this thing. A little higher, maybe? It's a little high. We should go an inch on this one. We're gonna get high. So, we consider that right there. So, if the frame is there, according to this, it's going to be like this. About like that, right? I think that will do. That is 1 inch, and that is 1 inch. Wow, shit. Okay, that's it right there. This one? That's a little big. How did I cut this thing out? This one? Yep. Here's the big boy. Have you had apple with peanut butter? Well. So here's how I like to do this. To avoid the blowout and to keep everything accurate, I'm going to drill right there. Can you see this? Can you see it? Look. So right where the pin, right there. Should be what it's going to be. so. We're going to switch drills. So here's what you do. Start on one side, like normal, you know. This helps us find our guide. We're good. And then finish it from the other side. First I like to clean this off because there's glue. The glue in the plywood gets all gunged up on here. We'll finish it from this side. No problemo. Look at that. No tear out. Nice and clean. Boom. Plus now you have all these wheels. Start building your Pinewood Derby cars. Look at that, perfect circle. What should we do with that? I don't know. Always put your tools away right when you're done with them. It's a good habit. It's like coming home from vacation if you don't clean your house. You know what I mean? Come on, dude. Apple. So the way these go in is like this. That goes through there. And then you attach this back piece. Like this. But it's supposed to go like this. Oh no, the screws aren't long enough for that. So what I like to do is reverse this. But you can't because this ring is in the way. So I cut off this little part of the ring. Like that. It's just like that. Screw holes will line up. They are not too long. Okay, I had to cut them in another situation, but you don't want to crank on these too much because they're plastic. Boom. See? Mounted. We'll just go put it back in the van. Back in the van. This will line up nice because they are pre-drilled into the holes so they will fit. And these hinges are self-closing, so this is more just for looks. But now it matches the rest of them. Right? So we got this latch. We've got our upper latches that are the same. And then our kitchen latches, they all match. Oh, it feels so good. Now I just have to cover up this mess up here. And finish the shower. Yeah, that'd be good too.